皆さんこんにちは、J-Steve です。And today we're going to take a look at the new race buckle, Golden Mark IX race buckle. In the last part of the new V-Cinext trailer today, we can see white-haired Ace is holding a new race buckle, a gold color version of Boost the Mark IX race buckle. Means there will be another repaint gold color Geats IX in the V-Cinext. And I think gold color Geats IX should be very cool. Let's wait and see. And for the race buckle of the repaint to gold color, should be something like this. Not too bad actually. And I can't wait to see the new colorway of Geats IX. The Henshin sound should be different as well. V-Cinext is gonna air in spring 2024 and Blu-ray DVD on 24th of July 2024. I'm not sure when this new race buckle is gonna on sale, but pretty sure this Henshin item is gonna be another premium Bandai product. So what do you guys think of this new Golden Geats IX? Leave the comments below. And here are the new premium deluxe item from Geats series. Let's see one by one.
You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as
Okay, here are the quick updates for today. What do you guys think? Leave the comments below. All the rest of today, we are showing you thanks video for your channel and see you next time. Jamato.
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change scars to